row number 1, you knit this row in color A and you knit across. So knit all the stitches. I forgot to say, for this pattern you have to cast on a multiple of 4 plus 2 stitches for symmetry. Row number 2, you turn the work, and in row number 2 you just purl all the stitches. So basically we will have a stockinette but in 3 columns, in chess of 3 columns. So in row number 2 you just purl all the stitches. So after these 2 setup rows you start the repeat, and row number 3 will be knit in color B yarn, which in my case is this lime green, and the repeat for this row is knit 2, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in the back. So like this, or you can not slip them 2 at a time, just 1 at a time. Just slip them purlwise with yarn in the back and then knit 2. Again, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in the back and knit 2. Slip 2, and in the end the symmetry stitches you just knit 2. Turn the work. Row number 4 is also in color B, and the repeat is purl 2, slip 2 with yarn in front. So the same stitches that we slipped in the previous row with yarn in the back, now we slip them with yarn in front. And the stitches that we knit, now we purl them. So purl 2, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in front, and again purl 2 and slip 2. And for symmetry we purl 2 stitches in the end. After that, turn the work. In row number 5 we work with color A, which in my case is that blue, the color that we knit the first 2 rows in. So in row number 5 we just knit all the stitches. Very easy. This is it. Turn the work, and in row number 6 we will knit with the color C yarn. And the repeat for this row is slip 2 purlwise with yarn in front. So my yarn is right here, that's why I have this loop here, because these 2 first stitches, they don't even are included in the C yarn. So the C yarn always starts to the next 2 stitches. So we slip purlwise with yarn in front the first 2 stitches and then purl the next 2 stitches. Again, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in front and purl 2. Slip 2, purl 2. Slip 2, purl 2. And in the end, slip 2 purlwise with yarn in front. After that, turn the work. Row number 7 is worked also with color C yarn, and we start by slipping 2 stitches with yarn in the back, and after that knit 2 stitches. And again slip 2 purlwise with yarn in the back, knit 2 slip 2, knit 2, and in the end slip 2 for whites with yarn in the back. Turn the work, and in row number 8 we work the stitches with the color A yarn, so the blue in my case, and we just purl all the stitches. So with the blue is kind of most easy. We just knit or purl. In row number 5 we knit all the stitches, and in row number 8 we purl all the stitches. So this is the whole repeat, and after that you just repeat from row number 3 to row number 8.